Hello guys, so today I have a job to install the LED lights for the Toyota Sienna, and it's gonna be for the high beam. And so right now, I don't know if you can see it good or not, this is the halogen and this is the LED light. So I have the Oxilam LED light. So this one here, it's 6500 temperature color, and it's just so easy to install, just plug and play. What is it, comes with the kit, gloves. I already installed one, so gloves, have a manual about the product, and here is the light right here. So I have two different lights for the comparison right here. Let me show it to you. So this is the halogen and this is the LED light. So it comes with the small built-in fan, and it's aluminum body, weight just a little bit heavier, but this will last for a long time. Have LED on both sides for more brightness, and it's IP67 waterproof kind of style right here. Let's go ahead and install it on this beauty. Let's open the hood. And it's gonna be right here. So I was saying, this is the really easy, just plug and play. So this is the light we are putting in. So this is the high beam, this is the 9005 HB3. So you just this is right here. Can you see it good? Okay, so that's where we're gonna work, and it's gonna be right there. They make it brighter so you will see everything. Okay, so this is what we're gonna install, and this is what is there right now, but this is from the left side. Let's put it aside. So it's right here. This is gonna be the high beam 9005. Taking the light off, just there is a pin, you push on it and pull the light out. Right, easy. Installing, same thing, but I would install the light first, put it in. This is the only one way. Put it in and twist it. Twist. Push your connector, click, and we're good to go. So this is how easy to install the light on a Sienna. So this is the high beam and this is the low beam, but I'm working with the high beam. Let's go ahead and test it. Here we go. Let's go closer. So you can see it's much brighter now. And for the fan, it's really quiet. I don't know if you can even hear anything. Yeah, but this is how easy to install it. See how the high beam really brighter than low beam. It's really noticeable. So that was the easy weak installation of our light. So I just installed the Oxilam LED light for the high beam on this thing. So let's go ahead and test it. So low beam, high beam. Let's go ahead and make a test run, and we will see how actually bright it is. It's gonna be really bright. Oh, it's even got the brighter here too. Yeah, so Oxilam. Okay, so this is just the headlights, and let's blow up our high beams. Ooh. Oh wow, you can see much better. Let's do it again. Low beams, high beams. Low beam, high beam. So this is how bright the high beam